Hello again, my friend. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Grab some popcorn, sit back and relax while watching my video. I have here a TCL 55 inches Android TV. As you can see, the logo appear. Seems like there's no problem. But let's wait for a few seconds and observe the picture. For your information, this TV was hidden by the owner for a long time because their house was being renovated. But the time come when they were going to use it, the problem appeared. And this is the problem. The picture or display is having a vertical lines or bars. Let's put it at home so you can see the problem better. That's the problem. Vertical line or bars, and the edges will gradually darken. And this is the model number of this Android TV. Let's open it and see the parts inside. It looks dirty and I can see a lot of sand inside. If you notice, all the parts inside are covered with dust and dirt. And there is also a lot of sand on the bottom of this TV. I will first remove all the dirt and dust before I continue to repair or troubleshoot. It's clean. I removed the dust well, especially on the main board. First of all, in this model of TV, you won't find a timing control board. Its timing control is built into its motherboard or main board. Now, let's start fixing this TV first. If we want to know which part or side of the panel has the problem, let's remove these ribbons or cable flex one by one. This way you will quickly know which side has a problem. Plug in the TV and let's see what comes up on the screen. The LED power indicator has lit up. Let's power on and lift the TV and wait for a few seconds so we can see what will appear on the screen. There is no picture or display. We only see vertical lines. Since we didn't see any picture or display, let's put back the flex we hanged and hang the other one. Before that, let's unplug the TV first before removing or attaching the flex. Don't forget that. When attaching the flex, be careful, don't just put it back. It should be tight and don't force it. Otherwise the flex will break and that will add to the problem. Now let's remove that one and also see what appears on the screen. TCL logo appears. Let's just wait a few seconds. Let's observe the picture. The picture is also the same. There is a vertical line or bar that also appears. It just can't be seen on the camera. Since nothing happened when we hung the flexes, let's proceed to the second step of our repair. I'm going to fast forward so that this video doesn't get too long. We'll go straight to the second step, and this is bypassing his swapping voltage. Look at those two fusible resistors. That's his LC1 and LC2, or his low clock swapping voltage. If you want a more in-depth and good explanation on how to fix your smart LED TV or Android TV, visit Sir LaBoy Technician, Sir Joey Tech, and of course our handsome friend, Sir Ryan Crossett. Let's continue. Let's measure the voltage of LC1 and LC2. Using your digital multi-tester, just set it to DC. LC1 and LC2 are swapping voltage. The negative supply is 7 and the positive is 28. That's what we should measure. The swapping voltage works fine, but the problem is our panel itself. The reason for his vertical line or bar is the irritation of the panel with his low clock, especially at positive 28. Let's remove the two SMD fusible resistors with a soldering iron. Don't use hot air or you'll touch the IC even more and the unit will be damaged. After SMD resistors are removed, let's bypass a stable voltage in LC2 should be lower than positive 28. It's better if you have a boost converter module. Now, let's measure the voltage of LC2. We should get a stable positive 15 volts, because that's where I connected it. If the voltage drops, it means we still have a problem with the top board of the panel. It seems that 15 volts did not drop. which means there is no problem with the top board. Let's lift the TV and see if there is a change in the picture or not. The picture is okay. The vertical line or bars have disappeared. Disclaimer: if you think it's easy, you're wrong. Don't try to DIY, especially if you don't know anything about basic troubleshooting. You might just damage your TV even more. So it's better to take it to the technicians near your place. I'll turn off the light first so you can see the TV picture better. Let's wait for the no signal to come out and see if there are still vertical lines. There are no more vertical lines. Let's put it at home so we can take a good look at the picture. The TCL 55 Android TV we are fixing is okay. We will test it for a long time before we take it to the owner. I am Jovid Tech PH. Thank you very much for watching.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.